Now we come to the other part, insurance with Takaful. The first difference between both the industries is the difference of concept. In traditional insurance, a risk transfer from one party to another party, any policy holder and shareholders, insured and insurer. In Takaful, a risk sharing between participants, members of pool. So this is the difference in concept of both the companies, risk transfer and risk sharing. Number 2, difference of a contract. In insurance, traditional insurance, they are receiving premium, they are selling their policy. In Arabic, this called aqd muawadat, yani contract of exchange. Contract of exchange. While in Takaful, we are signing aqd tabarru'at, contract of contribution or contract of donation. In conventional insurance, you are paying the premium, the price, and they will deliver goods. But they will deliver goods when? When? The risk happened, but when? I need the date. What time? Where? How much? No, for example, take comprehensive insurance of my car. Okay, I paid premium, and this premium is price of the parts that conventional insurance will provide me, will give me when I will do accident. But do I know that what time, when and where I will do accident? No, okay, but I have the time of 365 days. Oh, okay, no, this 13 months, 1 year, 1 month, okay, within this period. Now, it is requested or required that if there is no claim in this period, I paid you some money, please buy for me a mobile with this specification. Okay, and I am waiting for 1 week. And you are failed to buy mobile for me and deliver to me, then what is next? I will ask to give me back my money. Sir? But conventional insurance are paying back. Can you claim? Can you go there and ask that I have no accident, I have no claim? So they are signing the contract of exchange. They are selling their policies. You are paying premium. But in the other case, maybe you are paying 1,000 and you are getting the benefit of 10,000. Big claim. Maybe you are paying 10,000 and the whole year you are getting the benefit of only 500. You are losing 9,500. While it is, in fact, if it is sell-purchase contract, then it is required that if I have no claim in the whole year and or you are failed to deliver me my goods, then you have to return me my money. But they are not returning anything. They are taking this money. When I remember, go back to the formula. Whenever there is transfer of wealth or property from one party to another party, it should be based on a contract. As per conventional insurance, their policy, they are selling their policy. So it means there is sell-purchase contract. In sell-purchase contract, the relation is of buyer and seller. But as per the Sharia, I cannot sell something which I am not the owner of that. For example, I have my laptop there. I can sell my laptop to you. I can sell my mobile to you. But I cannot sell these computers. I cannot sell this printer. Why? Because it's not mine. I can sell my car to you, but I cannot sell all this car in the parking to you. Otherwise, just I am selling you the whole cars, give me only just 50,000. Yalla, enjoy. Take all the cars in 50,000. Are you agree? Are you agree? So, in this time when I am buying the policy, I am paying the premium. Insurance company is not the owner of those parts what they are selling to me. Number one. In commodity or sell purchase, the commodity as per Sharia, the commodity which I am selling should be very clear, well known, specified. All specification will be very clear. I cannot hide anything, and it should be my property. Then I can sell to you. Number two, when I will deliver, the time of delivery, the way of delivery, and the day of delivery will be also mentioned and very clear. And the other thing, the price should be certain, well known, the currency and the amount and method of payment. Method of payment. You will pay me cash, you will pay me by check, you will pay me in installment, you will pay me on time, deferred time. How you will pay me? Here, only just I said I am selling you my mobile on 1,000. So the deal from the Sharia perspective, even from the legal perspective, even from the tradition, from the trend, from the business perspective, the deal is null and void. Because the commodity is not specified. The price is not specified. Method of payment is not specified. Delivery is not specified. Okay? On the other side, I am selling you my mobile Samsung Note 4 Note 7 Edge with the memory 32 GB, black color on 1,000 dirhams. Agree? Now the deal is done. But the deal is pending. The deal is pending. When the deal will be completed? When I will transfer the risk of this mobile to him. Okay? Now this mobile is still with me, and suddenly now it was broken. This is his loss or my loss? My loss, because I did not hand over, I did not deliver the goods to him. But when I deliver and he just was checking and suddenly it was broken, then finished. He is responsible, because so the deal is completing on delivery when I deliver the goods. Is clear? The payment method is important because, for example, if he is giving me cash, so just on spot we are exchanging things, we are paying, and I deliver these goods to him, and there is transfer from him to me and from me to him, and the deal is completed. But if he is buying on installment, so yes, he has 10 months, he will pay me 100 per month, and I cannot ask to give me now. Maybe the mobile lost or whatever, it is his tension, his headache. You got my point? Okay, in insurance, they are signing contract of exchange, aqd al-muawadat, but in return, the goods are not specified. I will do accident. You will deliver me the goods when and where. Still the risk is with you. In this stage, you are not the owner of these goods. So you cannot buy, you cannot sell something which you don't own. Okay? And yes, the price is okay. I paid the price, finished. This chapter is closed. But from your side, and I am giving you 300 or 13 months. If you are fail or I did not make any accident, then you are required to return me my money. Because this was sell-purchase transaction. This was sell-purchase transaction. While in Takaful, we are signing Aqd Tabarru'at. Aqd Tabarru'at means I am giving donation. I am participating in this pool with the intention to help other people. I don't need any return from your side. Is clear or not? So, participants, members are cooperating each other. Members are saying that if anybody make loss, we will compensate. We will compensate. How much compensation is? It also for free, as a donation among the participants. So there is no sell purchase transaction. Is clear or not? So the second difference is signing contract. We are not selling our policies. We are offering you to be member of our pool. But unfortunately, will come okay. Conventional insurance is the risk transfer mechanism whereby risk is transferred from the policy holder, yani the insured, to the insurance company, yani the insurer, in consideration of insurance premium paid by the insured. Insured, yani policy holder paying premium, and he transfer the risk to shareholder or to the insurance company, and that's all. Takaful is based on mutuality, hence the risk is not transferred from the policy holder to shareholder, while this is shared by the participants in a common pool, the red pool, remember, pool number 2. The company acts only as the manager of the pool, yani Takaful operator, and they are charging agency fee, and they have only just to manage the pool, nothing else. Number 2, it is a contract of sell, yani money for money exchange, termed as Aqd Muawada, hence yani exchange, contract of exchange, hence it involves direct riba. I am paying you 1,000, and when claim comes, so sometime insurance companies, they will give you amount and will say take this money and repair your car by yourself. Yes? Okay. And the total claim was 5,000. So cash in cash, exchange of cash with cash, if there is anything extra, this called interest. This called interest. Sah? So I paid cash, they are giving me cash, more or less. If less, they are taking my rights. If more, they are paying me interest. So in Takaful, it is a membership contract for a good cause, termed as Aqd Tabarru', yani donation contract, hence no riba element involved. I am giving donation to this pool for free, and later on, after 1 month, 5 months, 6 months, you are giving charity to me. There is no exchange. There is no exchange. Only just I am helping you, you are helping me. We are not signing any sell-purchase contract. Premium paid by the insured buying an insurance policy. No restrictions. Who is who? What is what? In conventional insurance, they are giving to provide coverage for casino, for nightclub, for bears, for beverages, for pigs, for conventional banks, for interest-based business, for dance club, for musical schools, for shisha, for anything. There is no restrictions. While in Takaful, we have a lot of restrictions. We cannot provide coverage to casino. We cannot provide coverage this in claim. You are in claim, you both are in claim. You know this point or not?
Which one?
No, not claim, underwriting. You know this point or not? That we have first of all to see that either this is Sharia compliant business or not. For example, restaurant are coming. The first question we are asking, do you provide shisha? If they are provide shisha, we are not giving coverage for shisha. For food item, halal item is okay, but shisha is not covered in our policies. Hotels are coming. The full hotel is covered. Rooms are covered, furniture covered. But if there is mini bar in rooms, this mini bar is not covered. Underwriting, you know or not? You don't know. You don't need the contract because unfortunately we are not reading the contracts. Okay? If in a hotel there is a nightclub, if in a hotel there is a bar, we are not giving any coverage for bar or nightclubs. Even their furniture, their glasses, their equipments, the beverages. If airlines are coming, we are giving for the passengers, for airline, for all things. But if they are providing wines or alcohol, we are not giving coverage for this. For food, yes, the coverage is there. Okay, in travel, terhal. In terhal, we are giving coverage for their luggage. But if there is beer or wine in luggage or anything haram in luggage, we are not giving any coverage. You got my point? So, in Takaful, contribution paid by the participants as a donation becoming a member of the pool yani fund, restrictions on participants play subject matter activities. For example, two slaughterhouse, one slaughterhouse, both need coverage. Coming to the Takaful. First of all, we'll ask what slaughterhouse is for. If it is for sheep, goats, camels, cows, yes, we can give coverage. But if the slaughterhouse is for pigs or haram animals, then we cannot give coverage. Company activity, we are searching for company activity. You got my point? So we have, somebody is coming giving us money and saying, I have to be member. We are saying, no. First give me your history. What are you doing? What is your business? While in insurance, there is no restrictions.